और इसी बीच सीधे लिए चलते हैं आपको ग्रेटर नोएडा, जहां पर ट्रेड शो को संबोधित कर रहे हैं उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़।
Cultivating traditional music, and what a similarity it was with Indian instruments also. I kept on looking at some of the instruments, Yogi ji. There's similarity with our instruments. I am sure there will be enough for them to carry home. The dance performances, it was enriching. And it is a state which in last few years is seeing happiness factor rising. When happiness factor rises, your appetite is functional. Am I audible? Was I audible earlier? Good, good. So my friends from Uttar Pradesh and all over the country who are here will have the occasion to indulge in authentic Vietnamese cuisine. Renowned for its unique flavors. When we look at Vietnam, the savory delights of pho and spring rolls to the mouth-watering banh mi, our palate will be treated to a culinary journey. I have had the occasion to know about them and taste them. This, in a sense, is a natural partnership if we go into historical perspective. Will surely foster cultural and economic challenges collectively. The exchanges will be rewarding, further enhancing our bilateral relations and strengthen the resolve for a greater role for Global South in international affairs. It was visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that at G20 platform, he brought on the international radar the voice of Global South. This is an important event. Their participation for us is memorable, and I am sure they will carry happy memories of this event. The exhibition, the scale, the display, the technological penetration, the cultural wealth, each district products. I instructed my team that they will at micro level handle each stall, each product, so that the nation comes to know it through Sansad TV. Mr. Chief Minister will seek your cooperation. My team will be here this evening. Friends, the synergy between Prime Minister of India, his vision, coupled with Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi's execution, sharp execution which has no accommodation for corruption, no tolerance for inefficiency. This has transformed Uttar Pradesh into Uttam Pradesh. And the sustained efforts of Yogi ji are leading to another milestone development and achievement soothing to the entire nation. Uttar Pradesh is fast becoming Uddam Pradesh of the country. This venue, Mahesh ji, your constituency, this venue is very soothing for development. This venue was also witness to the recently concluded Semicon India 2024 conference, where Honorable Prime Minister outlined India's vision of making the semiconductor industry, and that is going to be the foundation of Viksit Bharat. The conference was a crucial step towards realizing India's goal of becoming a global hub for semiconductor manufacturing. Let me, friends, come to the state of the nation, state of Bharat. For ages, India has been cradle of civilization, a crucible of innovation and a global hub of learning. Our Vedas are gold mine of knowledge and information. India takes pride in being one of the oldest civilizations. Over 5,000 years of civilization ethos are our legacy. We lost way somewhere in between. But now we are on way to regaining it, and that too fast enough to be a beacon for the planet in several ways in this century. Nothing can be more satisfying for me to note that in this regaining the largest state of the Union under leadership of Adityanath Yogi is playing with the state bat on front foot to deliver for the nation. Look at just a decade ago, the scenario was alarmingly worrisome. Just look at a decade ago. Economy was staggering and mood of the nation was shaky. From every aspect, governance was challenging for the citizen. But what a 360-degree change. Soothingly, last decade is marked with unprecedented transformation. A transformation for the better. Bharat has emerged as the most buoyant economy in the world. It is now a favorite global destination of investment and opportunity. With an ecosystem of hope and possibility, all pervasive in India, undoubtedly we are set to regain our pristine glory. India is now a global happening place, and Uttar Pradesh is bubbling with activity. Activity in every sector, infrastructure, growth, industry, and innovation. Today, Bharat is a near $4 trillion economy that has 8% growth prospects for decades further to come. World institutions have so analyzed. In 2 years, our economy will march ahead of that of Japan and Germany to be the world's third largest economy. Incremental infrastructure growth is reflected in 8 new airports annually. The Honorable Chief Minister has indicated the scenario here. Unbelievable achievement. Look at the express highways virtually doubling, airports doubling, and the state will be on a global map when it comes to world-class largest airport and ever. It's a state where dreams fructify into ground realities. That's what I've seen. Every 2 years, 3 or